Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah. Your number starts with 6282 or 9745.
282.
Okay, good. You are from which part of Kerala?
I am from Palakkad district of Kerala. Sir.
What is your degree?
MSc in chemistry.
Good. MSc in chemistry. This is the
Yes,
regular question they are asking. So why banking after chemistry? Can you answer this?
yes, sir. I chose banking, but considering its faster recruitment, good salary, and promotional possibilities, and job security. And moreover, I am good at interacting with people. So I believe that my capacities and capabilities can be well utilized in this sector.
Very good. You are talking nicely in English.
Thank you, sir.
Which college did you study post-graduation?
I did my post-graduation from PSG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore.
That is the reason. Good, good, good. Best wishes. Yeah. Now, tell us about your family.
My family consists of my father, mother, and me. My father is working as a branch manager in Ottapalam Cooperative Urban Bank. My mother is a homemaker, and I am the only daughter to my parents.
Only daughter means they have another son.
No, sir.
So you should say, I am the only issue for my parents.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's right. Ottapalam Cooperative Bank.
Yes, sir.
Since when your father is working in that?
My father has been working there since 1995.
Oh God, so many years, 30 years roughly. Good. And what is the nature of work he is doing? Ottapalam Cooperative Bank.
He is the branch manager.
So what is the nature of duties for him?
He has to authorize the work done by his subordinates, that is clerical staff, and he also have to visit the fields, and he has to work for the recovery of NPAs, and he also has to do sales like canvassing customers.
So do you ever talk to him about banking?
Yes, sir, I have talked to him.
Good. So what is did you ever talk to him to know what is the business position of his branch? You don't tell me full name of the branch, bank and all. Tell me what is the total business position of the cooperative bank.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Achha.
I will talk about it.
You please talk to him.
I'll ask him, sir.
You please talk to him to know what is the total deposit, total advances, total profit made, total customers. What are what is NPA? What are the problems he is facing in NPA? How he is recovering an NPA?
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Is Ottapalam Cooperative Bank different from Kerala Cooperative Bank? There is one more cooperative bank, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it different from that? In what way is it different? So you should talk to him. In what way are they different from the Grameen banks? That is RRB.
Okay, sir.
And in your area, in your area where you are living, what is the crop that is grown more?
Rice. Rice is the main crop that is grown here.
Acha, good. Do you have account with any other bank other than Ottapalam Cooperative Bank?
I have my savings bank account in South Indian Bank.
Very good. So what is the similarity between South Indian Bank and Federal Bank?
Both are oldest private sector bank of India, and both have headquarters in Kerala.
That is the only similarity. That's right.
Yes.
And both are in private sector. Correct, correct. Good. Very nice. Now, what did you study for this interview? Because you are chemistry graduate. I'm not going to ask questions in chemistry. Then what else did you study over which I can ask questions to you?
Sir, I have studied about the basic banking, And also about the Federal Bank, I have visited the website of Federal Bank
Mm.
and I have read about the press release.
Super. Can you please take me through the basics of banking? Imagine I am a layman, I don't know anything about banking. You are going to talk to me about banking for 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Okay, sir. So basically, a bank is an institution which accepts deposit from the people, and they give a certain percentage of interest to the people from whom they have accepted the deposit, and they also provide loan to people, and they have to, and all the people who have taken loan from that bank have to remit interest along with the amount. And other than that, bank also provides other activities like insurance is sold by bank, and also they also sell mutual funds, and there is locker facility available in the bank. There are also card facilities, and nowadays all the banking are digitalized, so all the people can do banking or like opening an account from any place in the world using a laptop or a mobile phone.
Good. You said mutual fund products.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, everything was correct. You told nicely, but you can talk something more also, like say para banking. Then you told that para banking. Then about digitalization, you can talk something more. You could have told about different products banks offer under deposits, different products banks offer under advances. You could have told that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
doesn't matter. Now you can compensate that in the next question. Please tell me a few points about Federal Bank. You are going to talk for minimum 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay, sir. Federal Bank is one of the oldest and most reputed private sector bank in India, and it has its headquarters in Aluva. It was formed on 23rd April 1931 by K.P. Hormis, and the current CEO and MD of Federal Bank is Mr. Shyam Srinivasan. The Federal Bank has almost 1,291 branches across all over India and 1,860 ATMs and recyclers. It also has its representative offices at Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and IFSC banking unit in Gift City, Gujarat. And the Federal Bank has a net profit of rupees 601 crore in the last quarter, around 64% growth from the previous quarter. And the CASA ratio of Federal Bank is 36.84%. The vision of the bank is to become the most admired bank in India. And the gross NPA of the Federal Bank in the last quarter is 2.69%, and the net NPA is 0.94%. It is a universal bank.
But actually, the answer is not complete because you are not told about the total deposit of the bank, total advance of the bank, total profit made by the bank in the last quarter.
Okay.
Not only that, it is not complete because you are not about various deposit products, various advance products, various digital products, various like that. You could have told about these things also. Also,
Yes,
the answer is not complete because you are not told about the achievements of the bank, awards of the bank, and
okay.
you are not told about the MD and CEO and
Yeah, sir, that I
marketing.
have told.
That
MD
you
and
are told.
CEO
Okay,
Shyam
very
Srinivasan.
good.
Yes.
This is the thing. Otherwise, you are talking very well. Why did you not tell other points? Why deposit products, advanced products you have not been telling? Why don't you know them?
Yes, I know that, sir, but I didn't know about how much I have to tell,
No,
about
but
how detailed I have to go.
no. Actually, in a real interview, you should tell like what you have done only. You should not tell everything so that you leave some scope for interviewers to ask some questions to you.
Okay, sir.
But here, my attempt was I wanted to relax, so I told you, please talk for 3 minutes. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Normally, I don't tell like this, but
Mm.
you utilized only 1.5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Doesn't matter. But what you are doing is not bad. But now tell me about deposit products.
Okay. The total deposit of Federal Bank has grown to 1.83 lakh crore, and there are several deposit products like current account, savings account, and also fixed deposit and recurring deposit.
Super, super. You're talking very well. What is your name?
Manju KP, sir. Manju.
Oh, good. Are you attending my banking classes? No.
Yes, sir. I have joined, but I am actually feeling sick for some days. So I am not attending the recorded section. Sorry, sir. I am not attending the live section, but I am hearing the recorded videos.
No, no. You are talking very well. Why don't you join me today in the class? Is it okay? Or you are not well?
Okay, sir.
Are you
Now,
okay?
okay. I am getting better, sir.
Please come. You should talk. You are talking very well. And I
Thank
would
you.
like other candidates also to feel motivated. They should talk like this. Now tell me about the loan products.
The loan products offered by the Federal Bank are personal loan, car loan, housing loan, and education loan, gold loan.
Hmm. Hmm. Hello, what happened?
Yes,
See, you
I'm
can
not.
you are not prepared. Simply remember, I have told in the classes also. First thing is, yesterday we were discussing that point only. All products, products, products. Yesterday's video you have not seen today,
Oh
correct?
no, sir. No,
Uh,
sir.
See,
I'm yet to see.
basic thing is, Manju, you are talking very well. So remember, listen carefully. You can repeat it. First
Okay,
is
sir.
loan against deposit.
Okay, sir.
Then gold loans or jewel loans.
Okay.
Then auto loans,
Okay, sir.
personal loan,
Okay, sir.
housing loan,
Okay.
export loan,
Okay.
then agriculture loan, agriculture allied activities loan,
Okay, sir.
renewable energy loan,
Okay, sir.
infrastructure loan,
Okay, sir.
MSME sector loan,
Okay, sir.
then small loans like self-help group and weaker sections. Apart from this, large industries loans. That's all.
Thank you, sir.
Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So can you try now telling me what are the different loan products?
Okay, sir. The different loan products offered by Federal Bank are loan against deposits, gold loan, auto loans, personal loan, housing loans, export loan, agriculture and allied activities loan, renewable energy sector loan, infrastructure loan, MSME sector loan, then small loans, then large industries loans.
Super. You are told nicely. You,
Thank you,
you,
sir.
you, are, you will certainly be selected provided you answer the question why banking after physics. Tell with confidence.
Yes, sir.
Who is your role model?
So my role model is Mrs. Arundhati Bhattacharya.
Why?
Because I really admire the courage and the hard work she has to break the gender barrier. Because she is the first women chairperson in the history of State Bank of India. And even though her education background was literature and she came from a small town, she was successful in banking. So it gives me immense courage to assure you that even though I pursued pure science, I can also bring noteworthy contribution to the organization.
Super.
And
Actually,
she,
after telling Arundhati Bhattacharya, you say uh, ex-chairman of State Bank of India. I think now she is occupying some position.
yes, sir. Now she is hired as the chairperson and CEO of Salesforce, an American cloud-based company.
Very good, very good, excellent. So you are answering very well. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
You are. I will give you 9 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
Which date is your interview?
29th, sir.
29th. So please attend all my classes regularly.
Sure, sir.
And whenever possible, I will ask questions. You answer them at least for 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, sir.
And on the particular topics I am asking, I don't know what I will ask. Acha. Now tell me about women empowerment.
Okay, sir. Women are also a part of the society, but they are considered as weaker section. In many areas, women don't get opportunity same as men because of several reasons. One of the reason is the patriarchal society, where society considered women to get married early, to have children, and to settle down to the husbands or who is taking care of her. That's person's wishes, and the society do not really encourage women to come out of that shell. But today the situation is changing, and we can see many women
Good.
occupying.
Very good. Good. You are able to communicate very well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Please come to my what is that class? Banking class tonight at 9 o'clock.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. If you are free, you can join my 8 o'clock class also free. Depends on your for spoken English. Doesn't matter. I won't compel you because only 5 or 6 children will be there. You can also join them. It depends. Maybe.
I'm not actually free today. I have to visit doctor once again.
Oh
I
God.
have an appointment with doctor.
Take care. 9 o'clock, if you are possible, you come. Otherwise, you watch the video.
Okay, sir.
You are doing very well. You are a prospective candidate to be selected.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Surface, shall we continue with the video straight away? You are also appearing
Yes,
for
sir.
Federal Bank only, no?
Sir, can I
Yes,
leave
sir.
now, sir?
Yeah, you can go. You can go, Manju. You can go. Yeah, Surface, can we continue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You
sir.
are from which part of Kerala?
Sir, I'm from Kochi, sir.
Very good. Your phone number only starts with 9745.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Can you tell about yourself briefly?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I hope it's a good afternoon in Canada. So, good afternoon, sir. Myself, Sarfaz Kadipwala. I'm coming from Kochi, Ernakulam. I am currently preparing for bank exams. I was working as an associate at a company called Celis HR India Private Limited, where I worked where I was given the opportunity to handle payrolls of the UK companies. Before that, I completed my MBA majoring in operations and marketing, where I had the opportunity to work on a couple of projects and internships, which increased my knowledge regarding the subject. I also graduated in commerce in the year 2018. And apart from that, about my hobbies, I like listening to podcasts. I like reading non-fiction books, and I like watching football. And my family consists of my mother, my father, and my sister. That's all about me, sir.
That is all about me is not required.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Please tell me, what did you learn in operations, MBA operations? What did you learn in that, and how that knowledge will be useful for you in your role as a probationary officer in Federal Bank?
Okay, sir. So, sir, in operations is mainly dealt in the process of conversion of inputs into output, and also about logistics, mainly how we can transport or provide a service in the quickest and cheapest and also in the efficient way. So, in Federal Bank, I will use my knowledge that I gained from operations in order to have a one-on-one interaction with all the customers that comes to the bank and make sure that I efficiently use my time that I have to serve all the customers equally. So that is what I think I use my knowledge.
Mhm. Good. Where did you study MBA?
Sir, I studied in a college called School of Management Studies, Cochin University, sir.
Acha. Good. Oh, good. Um, can you tell us what did you study in marketing? I want you to talk to me on marketing for 5 minutes. and
Okay.
wherein you will also tell me how your marketing knowledge will be of use in banking.
Okay, sir. So, sir, marketing is the process of creating something of value that is created, exchanged, and delivered to the customers, the clients, or the society at large. So, marketing is a process that starts even before a product is made. During the invention. So, marketing helps us to understand how a market works. It helps us in creating various strategies through which we can make the product that we have created get into the hands of the people more efficiently. And also, with the help of marketing, we will be able to understand how the customers have received our products, and we can also use that feedback to make changes to our products so that we can do it better the next time. So there are various types of marketing that are used by companies. Such some of them are, one is remarketing. So in remarketing, when a company has introduced a product for a long time, they will market it again so that their sales can be increased and their customer base can also be increased. Then there is demarketing. This type of marketing is used mainly by government authorities for limiting the use of products such as alcohol, cigarettes, and so on. Then another form of marketing would be international marketing, where marketing is carried out cross-border, which between companies or even between governments. Then another type of marketing is green marketing, where marketing is carried out uh, for products that are environmentally friendly. And then, uh, sir, this is what I know about marketing, sir.
No, no, but
Then there are various.
tell me how you can use this knowledge
Okay,
in our
okay, sir.
new bank. Say, Federal Bank, you are going to
Okay, sir.
join. How will you use your knowledge in improving the business of our bank?
Okay, sir. With the help of the marketing techniques that I learned, I will firstly focus on how I can use this to increase the customer base of the bank. Then I will also focus on how I can use these techniques to retain the customer base that the companies has. I will also use these techniques to bring in or introduce new products to the existing customers and also to the new arriving customers of the bank. And I will also use these marketing techniques to make the customers of the bank aware of the new products that the company has launched. So these are some of the ways that I would use the marketing techniques.
Good. Now, can you tell me what do you know about Federal Bank?
Yes, sir. Sir, Federal Bank was started in the year 1931 on April 23rd at Tiruvalla, Kerala. It was started by late Mr. K.P. Hornis. And speaking about Federal Bank right now, Federal Bank in its current quarter has posted a net profit of 601 crore, which is 64% higher than what they have announced in the announced in the previous year. The company has also done a huge business of more than 3,35,000 crore, and the company has also been able to bring the reduce the net NPA and gross NPA from 2.94 to 2.64 and net NPA to 0.94. The company has also been able to increase its CASA business by 15%. And I've also read that the company has also done a business of more than 75% increase in their gold loan business. And also, right recently, the RBI has allowed Federal Bank to carry out taxing document payments through its portal. And this is all I know.
Not bad, not bad. Who is the Chief Marketing Officer?
The Chief Marketing Officer of Federal Bank is Mr. M.B.S.
MBS?
Murthy.
Yeah. Can you tell me the MD and CEO of a Federal Bank?
Yes, sir. The MD and CEO of Federal Bank is Mr. Shyam Srinivasan, and I believe he has been serving for 12 years now.
Acha? Really?
Yeah.
Last 12 years. Great, 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 great. The bank has been having good ups and downs also. What is the present market capitalization of our Federal Bank?
Present market
What
that I
is
don't know,
meant
sir.
by market capitalization?
Sir,
You,
market capitalization, is it the value of the company that when it is listed in the stock exchanges?
no. Wow. Capitalization means total number of paid up shares of the company into market
Yeah,
share price.
sir, I know the paid up capital of the Federal Bank is 800 crores, sir.
No,
400 is paid up and 400.
no.
400 crores.
399.23 something.
Yeah, 400 crores.
Paid up is if you say 399 also okay, 399 crores. 800 crores is the authorized capital.
Ah, sorry. That's right.
Yeah. And the share price, now what is it?
Sir, it's 104 rupees per share.
When did you see that?
2 days ago, sir.
Yeah, right now it is 105.50.
Okay, sir.
Which date is your interview?
So my interview is on 29th July.
So before going for the interview, you must go through the which time is your interview? Morning or evening?
Sir, 12:30 to 1:30 p.m.
So better go through the previous day's
Market.
market price.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that will be better. I am giving today's value in our Federal Bank page.
Oh, okay, okay.
Good. So what are you working now?
Sir, currently I am pursuing a bank training coaching at in Kollam, sir, by the name IC.
Pardon?
I'm currently pursuing a bank exam training at a place called at Kollam in an institute called ICD, sir.
Acha, you are studying.
Yes, sir.
Oh, but you
I
are not.
worked for a year
No.
and then
I asked you a question. Are you working? You should have told me no. Straight
okay,
answer.
no,
Straight answer. Why do you say what you are doing? That is not required. Understand?
okay, okay.
What is the savings bank interest rate of Federal Bank?
Sir, it's 2.75%.
Hmm, less than. It is actually 2.15% less than a repo rate is equal to 2.75% up to rupees 5 crore. Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Now, can you tell about the problems that is faced by banks nowadays?
Yes, sir. Sir, one of the biggest problems that a bank faces right now is the growing amount of NPS and how it becomes, you know, how it becomes not repayable to the bank. That is one big problem that banks faces right now. And for private banks especially, they face high level of competition.
Mm,
And that is another thing. Then the current economic scenario that the whole world is facing has also affected the banking system. So I believe that they won't be able to generate as much revenue as they would have liked in the upcoming quarters due to the the rate of inflation going on in the world right now, mainly due to the Ukraine-Russia war. So much.
mhm. Can you tell us something about the economic problems of our country and Sri Lanka?
Yes, sir. Sir, the biggest economic problem that our country is facing right now is the high rate of inflation. So that is one problem that our country is facing, and also our country is facing shortages or difficulties in import of crude oils, which has led to which is due to the ongoing war between Ukraine and Russia. And another problem that our country is facing is rising amount of the rising amount of dollar against our currency, which our currency has currently hit 80 rupees
Mm,
against the dollar,
mm,
which is mainly due to one reason would be that the one reason is that there is a high rate of deficit between the export and import that our country carries out, and the federal direct investment and foreign direct investment and foreign institution investors are preferring other countries such as China and US
mm,
for their investments, and they're taking their money away from our country, which is actually affecting the employment and also the growth of our countries. And
mm,
about Sri Lanka has been facing issues for a couple of years now. One of the main reasons why Sri Lanka faces is in this scenario is because they decided to move on fully to uh, fertilize not non-fertilization based farming. Then another reason is that they took loans of high amount from countries such as China, but as the COVID hit, their tourism industry was highly affected, which meant that they were unable to pay their money back. It also led to a depletion in their foreign exchange reserves, which has come down to $1 billion as of now. So they won't be able to buy anything from other countries, as it is a country that is highly dependent on other countries for their products. And also, another reason that some of the experts say is that the Easter roamings that happened in the year 2019 also led to a decrease in the rate of tourism in the country. So,
mhm. Good. Can you tell me about the different types of banks we have in India?
yes, sir. Our country has various kinds of banks. The first type of bank is commercial banks. Then another would be cooperative banks. Then our country has foreign banks that have branches in here. Then there is development banks. Then there are RRBs, and then on top of all that, our banking system in the country is regulated by Reserve Bank of India, sir.
What are your hobbies?
Sir, I in my free time I like listening to podcasts, and I also like reading non-fiction, sir. And I also like watching European football.
Non-fictions, which one did you read recently?
Sir, I read a book called Atomic Habits by Mr. James Clear, sir.
What is that about?
Sir, it's about creating a minute habits in our life so that we make little changes in our habits, and in the long run those habits will help us transform our lives completely.
What is change management?
Change management, I don't know, sir.
Change management means implementing changes in systems, procedures in an organization where you are working. You are a marketing person. You must know that.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
You must know that. In the case of marketing, can you tell about some of
Okay.
the important products that have been launched successfully in the pan India level?
Marketing products.
Hmm. Maybe not necessarily banking, any other product.
Okay, sir. There is a product called Boat Ear Headphones, which
Hmm.
were at the beginning started by in a small place in Delhi, but now they have spread all over the country, mainly because of the marketing that they have done.
Mhm.
Especially, and another reason would be that even if the products get defected for a year, they would replace that product which other companies doesn't do. And another marketing product that I think they have done is a product called Cred, which provides various cashbacks to credit card users, which has actually revolutionized the way Indians repay their credit card dues. So that is two things that I think
Mhm.
marketing products that have reached to pan India.
Mhm. For this, what I did, I just searched India recent marketing successes. Here,
Okay, sir.
I am getting 10 best ad campaigns in India 2022.
Okay,
They are
okay, sir.
telling Meesho's Sahi Sahi Lagaya Hai campaign. Meesho.
Okay.
I don't, I don't know what they are doing. Meesho.
Sir, Meesho is an e-commerce website, sir. They mainly
Then,
sell second-hand goods.
then Tata Tea Premium Kadak Mumbai के लिए Kadak चाय.
Okay,
Kadak Mumbai के लिए Kadak चाय.
okay, sir.
Then when it rings Tanishka, when it rings true campaign.
Hmm.
Tanishq jewelry. Then Mohi Manyavar's Kanyaman campaign.
Okay, sir.
Then Cadbury's Good Luck Girls campaign. Then CRED's Great for the Good campaign.
That is the one I was talking about.
Yeah. Then Dove India's Stop the Beauty Test campaign. Then Amazon pays Ab Har Din Hua Azan campaign.
Hmm.
Now इसका बाद में Great Learnings for Great Career campaign. Then Facebook's More Together campaign. समझ गया? So
Sir.
this many things are there. So you can also see that. Good,
Okay.
very good. Now, would you like to ask some questions? You have been answering well, but
Okay, sir.
which area you should improve?
I think marketing.
Marketing and in relation to banking arena, something
Okay, sir.
correlated things you should try to tell me. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Otherwise, you have done well. Best wishes.
Thank you so much.
Are you attending my banking
Yes,
classes? No.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, great. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Attend the
Thank you, sir.
interview with confidence. Send me the list
Yes,
of
sir.
questions they are asking. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.